Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Candy Crush in Scratch. First, open Scratch and create a new project. You'll need a backdrop and several candy sprites. Design a grid system using Scratch lists to manage candy positions, perhaps a 10 by 10 grid. Initialize your game board by populating these lists with random candy types, ensuring a fresh start every time you play. This foundational setup is crucial for the game's core mechanics. Next, let's implement the core Match 3 logic. Your program needs to detect horizontal and vertical lines of 3 or more identical candies. Once a match is found, clear those candies from the grid, making them disappear. Then, simulate gravity by having candies above fall into the empty spaces. This creates a satisfying cascade effect, crucial for dynamic gameplay and setting up new potential matches. Now we'll enable player interaction. Allow users to swap any two adjacent candies, either horizontally or vertically. After a swap, immediately check if it results in a valid match of 3 or more. If not, the candies should swap back. Finally, refill any empty spaces at the top of your grid with new, randomly generated candies, keeping the game board full and challenging. To complete your game, implement a scoring system. Award points for every candy cleared, perhaps 10 points per candy. Define clear game over conditions, such as reaching a certain number of moves, say 25, or running out of time, like 60 seconds. When the game ends, display the player's final score prominently. This provides a clear objective and a sense of accomplishment for players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.